Hey, Slightly Unblended, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. Today is going to be a voiceover of this look, so hopefully I can figure out how to get that done pretty well. So if you want to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching. Let's get glam. I'm taking the Gerard Cosmetics Clean Canvas Base in Fair to get my lid ready to be all pretty. So for this look, I'm going to be taking the Carnival 3 Love Tahiti palette. I love this palette. The purples are just like always calling my name. To start out, I'm using Blackberry on the ABH A14 brush, and I'm patting Blackberry on the outer corner and like the outer V area of my eye, and I'm bringing it into the crease to my inner eye area, doing little baby blends. This is just mapping out the shape that we want for this look. I personally like to build the pigment up before I get it all blended. I like to map out the shape of the eye. I just feel like that works out a little bit better. I know not everybody does it, but I like to do it. I find it super helpful. I'm just trying to get it to be as intensely purple as my little heart desires. I love purple, so I usually spend the most time on purple looks. Once you get that first shade to the amount of intensity that you want it to be, I'm just going to go ahead and take the ABH A14 brush and grape to blend Blackberry. And I'm going to be using little windshield wiper motions, back and forth, tiny little motions, the lightest amount of pressure possible. And I'm just going to work on winging that out. So for that, I will be taking it out a little bit farther than the first shade, just so that we can have it super blown out, super smoky. I know it's not really smoky, but also kind of, but also like, check that out. Do you see? I just love purple. I get so excited about purple eyeshadow. With the Sigma E25 brush, I'm using Tahiti to blend out grape for a more seamless blend. And it's just going to be nice and gradient. It's going to give like a nice soft blown out, super blended effect. Once you get it blended, we gotta have a little dance party. Always. I was listening to a book. What was I even dancing to? Oh my gosh. Okay, so I'm taking a little bit more of Tahiti and just giving it a little bit more of a blend and exaggerating the wing out farther with that so that it's super dramatic. I just want to fly away with these really exaggerated winged out looks. I'm just using windshield wiper motions, going back and forth with the lightest amount of pressure. It really doesn't take much. You just barely apply pressure, go back and forth, and you get your blend. So now I'm going back in and I'm touching grape up, and I'm going to use the Morphe M507 brush to do that. Y'all, I'm really tired of these Morphe brushes, so if you know of any good brushes that are decent quality and not really going to break the bank, but also like smaller, because I really like smaller brushes, please let me know. But I am just going to go ahead and take grape and continue to blend it up, blend it out, whatever, and build up the pigment and wing it out. To create some depth, I'm just going to take Black Beach and take the ABH A14 brush. I'm going to go ahead and take it to the outer corner of my lid and take it into the deep crease area, give her a nice little blend, and just barely wing it out. I just want to have it added for a little bit of smokiness and a little bit of depth to make it look really poppin' when we add some sparkles. So adding Black Beach really is just going to make the purple stand out so much more, in my opinion. I just love the effect that it gives by going ahead and adding that. Do you see how it's already kind of like really amplified the look? It takes it to the next level, I promise. To blend out Black Beach, I'm going to use Blackberry, And it's just going to give it that nice little seamless blenderoo deal going on here. I'm going to wing it out. I think, how many times am I going to say I'm going to wing it out? I feel like that's kind of obvious at this point. I'm just being weird. But yes, definitely taking some of that blackberry shade to blend out Black Beach. Now we got to check the blend. This is where I'm going to decide if I want to scrap the look or not. I decided to keep the look. I think this blend's pretty good. So now it's time to add some more color. Taking the e.l.f. and J. Kissa J5 brush, I'm taking Black Beach to kind of line my lash line to bring out the halo shape that I want. So instead of like using an eyeliner, I just decided to go ahead and do this just to kind of get that built it up. What am I even, like, what are words today? I'm just going to build that up. I'm kind of working in reverse, if that makes sense. But doing it this way is just going to give me the shape that I want in the crease. So I'm going to blend out Black Beach with Blackberry. I'm making sure that I'm cleaning my brush off between shades though. That way it doesn't get a off color when it, like purple, when it gets to time to add more Tahiti. Now I'm going to give it a nice little blenderoo with the shade Grape. And it's like, Grape just really is such a cute purple color. I love it. For this, I'm giving a little blend with like light pressure. Just super light, making sure the colors have a really gradient, seamless blend going on. With the Morphe M421 brush, I'm just using more of the clean canvas to really get the sharp, crisp cut in the crease because we're about to get our sparkle on. It is the moment we've all been waiting for. I don't know if anybody's actually been waiting for this moment, but of course, I had to make it super extra. Next up, I'm taking Tahiti on the Sigma liner brush for precision and a gradient blend. I really like small brushes like this because I feel like I have more control with the blending compared to like larger shaped brushes. I don't know. I just feel like I'm able to really get up in there when I'm doing kind of tedious blending, if that makes any sense. So now we're looking a little wild, but I'm going to take the Furless Cosmetics and It's Likely Makeup Pro 2M brush, and I'm going to take some of the Lime Crime Diamond Dew in Pixie and add it to like the empty blank space in the crease. That way it's super popping. I don't know. I've never really tried a look like this, and so I thought it would be fun to do something a little bit different for how I usually do things. And I was really obsessed with the glitter in this. Getting our sparkle on. I don't even know what that was. Oh my gosh, no. So now I'm going to get it more blended with some Tahiti on the Sigma liner brush. That's really just kind of making sure that it doesn't look like the glitter just ends. It kind of is like a continuous amount of like color and sparkle, like a happy medium. Okay, not voice over me. We'll be back after the final look. Alright, so this is the finished look. What do you think? I was feeling a purple look. I probably have lipstick in my teeth because I could not get this lipstick to work out. I don't know why, but it's just being a pain in the ass. But I feel like this is a really cute, kind of different for me kind of look. I kind of feel like I have glitter in my eye. Anyway, I like it. I need to find some new lashes because I've been using these Kiss Maxed Out Drama lashes since they came out. I have like 10 pairs of them because they were my favorites. Like, I need some new lashes. So yeah, I might have to go through some ARM. Y'all, I'm telling you, I swear I keep seeing, this is why I usually film with my door closed. I swear I see somebody walking out of the corner of my eye. I'm the only one here. So, yikes on a bite. Alright, anyway, ARM RX Cosmetics is where I get some of my 25 milliliter lashes, and they're some of my favorite ones. They're super comfortable. I also have been using these Dew Color 5D Dramatic Lashes in 5D06. I used them before, and then I kind of like forgot that I had some, so I used them for the Mitchell week 4, I think, the one that I recreated. Yeah, they're fun. Anyway, I'm being very rambly, and so yeah, I don't want to keep you here too long, but I do want to thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. I know it was kind of weird. Let me know what you'd like to see next down below. I will have all of my social medias, TikTok, Twitter, Instagram, Facebook page, all that, so you can keep up with my awkward face and shenanigans when I'm not here on YouTube. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope that I'll see you in the next one. Bye!